Today we're going to be installing the VF Designs taillight kit and the JL Designs taillight kit. Huge shout out to both of these companies for coming together and collabing with me on this. It's awesome that I can get both of y'all to come together and collab on this. Huge thanks. You all can use code WHEELIE for a percentage off your order at either one of these companies, JL Designs and VF Designs. Let's go and get this install started, baby. Let's go! This is how the VF Designs kit comes just like this. I'll throw a picture of what it's gonna end up looking like up right now. And their Instagram, if y'all could go and follow them, that'd be great. Let them know that I sent you. I appreciate that very much. This is what the JL Designs kit came with. I'll throw a picture of what it's gonna look like up. So if y'all could go and check them out and let them know that I sent you, that'd be great. Thank y'all very much. I appreciate both of y'all for sending your kits out and coming together to collab on this. We're gonna be wiring all three of these together. Integrated tail light and the two tail section pieces and then the end pieces. I'm gonna be replacing the tail light itself, and then we're gonna have the two JL Designs lights will go on these two little winglets right here. And then the VF Designs goes along the outer edge of each one of these. I don't know what we're gonna do with this for the time being. Probably leave it for now, I don't know. I'm gonna start by taking off the seat. Voila. So I got my two drills set up with my two individual bits. You can definitely do this with Allens, but I highly recommend trying. If you got these, just be careful not to strip it out. Oh! Get you a bolt ball. We're going the wrong way there for just a second. We're going to start by removing this bar right here, which is actually attached to this because this holds my cowl. This wouldn't be here on your bike unless you have a cowl. I'm also going to be removing this bar just to make it easier to access this and to do all the wiring in there. Also going to be removing this black plastic part. Okay, we're gonna quit that before we strip that. Doing that number, bro, look at all the little metal shavings right there. But yeah, if it starts doing that number, bro, just switch. It ain't even worth it. Those are bigger problems than you want, big fella. I love how I have a toolkit back here, but I can't really even access it without another toolkit, which is literally Allen heads. At least when I have the cowl on. When I have the seat on, that's a different story. Got it. Got a little tab you gotta pull off right here. See? I'm gonna go ahead and start removing the little winglets. These little things, I don't know what we would call them, but yeah, we're gonna go on and remove those. Starting up here. I had to stick my finger in there and hold on to this. It was like the thing was too spread out and it wouldn't come out, so be wary of that. You might have to do the same. Snack time. Next, we're gonna undo these 4 bolts up here. To lose a little spacer when you're doing these. Separated. Whoop, right here. This little bolt right here, you gotta take that bad boy out. Next, we're gonna have to undo this. That'll work. Ended up grabbing a screwdriver because I don't have any fingernails. Yeah. I've decided that I'm actually going to remove this. So right now I'm currently using the drill on the bottom on these nuts, and then I'm using an Allen head up top to hold them still. But I just want to let you know that I am taking that out and how I'm doing it. I'm not going to video this part. I'm going to go on and remove the tail light, just like so. Probably should have undone the connection first. That would have been smart, huh? And she is out, baby. You pull down on the tail section, push down on the tail light, and pull it out through the tail light. White connection goes to the right turn signal. This one, the bottom one. The black one above it goes to the left turn signal. The white one, that's the license plate light. This is what the tail light looks like. It's gonna be epic. We're gonna go on and start throwing it in now. So the tail light literally has a little notch at the top. You just slide it in, pull it in the bottom. I don't have the bottom clips in yet. I'm about to put them in now. But then you put the tail section back up. I'm gonna go on and put these clips in. I gotta do something about this. We gotta block that off or something. I'm gonna have to order the TST thing. This clip back in too. I was gonna change out the tail section, but that one doesn't fit the tail light like I want it. So we're gonna keep with the stock one that's kind of busted up. Not really busted up, but kind of busted up. See, a little bit busted up. I couldn't find the drill bit, so this is our next best bet, I guess. Let's look at what clean holes we got now. Bingo. Still smoking. Bingo. Push those together, it might help you go through. Leave those hanging there. Let's go and get the other side. This is gonna be the ultimate tail section, baby. I just want you to know that. Now we're going to start installing this piece. This side's on good. On to the VF Designs lights, baby. Look at that. Look at that. We are not even close to done. Let's go. Let's do the other side. Let's get the wiring, baby. We got a mess up here, but don't you worry. I'm gonna show you all exactly how to put all of these wires together. It's a lot of wires, man, once you start thinking about it, especially once you realize that we have to splice these and then wire them into these and then also wire them to the bike. What? Not gonna be too hard though. We can definitely do it. These are pretty much the best wire splicers money can buy. They're quick to use, easy to use. Just go. You can pick them up at Walmart, they're probably like $5. These is like your car audio. If you know about car audio or you're into car audio, let me know down below, man. I used to have a banger of a system. All right, you guys, we just got it all wired up. We're gonna clean this all up. We just got done testing, tying them all together. Yep, so I ended up taking the NRC plugs, the stock plugs, or I guess they're not stock, but you could use your stock plugs too. I used my NRC plugs, cut them, spliced them into the JL wiring harness and the VF Design wiring harness. We took this tail light, integrated it in to where it'll have turn signal functions as well. Check that out. Got yellow, blue, black, yellow, 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 blue, black, black, red, black. And then we got a diode, or a little doohickey thing, a little thing in my bobber. Then we got this all wired together. By the way, what I'm using is heat shrink. That stuff is great, great. Some of the best stuff you can use. Got the license plate light plugged in. Got this all wired in, yellow, yellow, black. Black was positive on the NRC plugs, by the way, instead of red, which was kind of weird. At first I wired them up wrong, had to redo it and switch the red and the black on these. So we're getting ready to tidy it all up and finish her up and button her up and put her together. I don't really care too much about a clean wiring job because I'm never getting back here because Yamaha didn't give me any storage, so it doesn't matter. I'll just move the wires if I ever need to. Could have done it cleaner and zip tied it all up and everything. We probably will whenever we get the TST lock off plate in there.